10-4. Hold on. Get up car. Open the...
Der Verdächtige Joseph Navarro, 50 Jahre alt, wird wegen schwerer Körperverletzung gesucht. Als die Beamten eintreffen, sehen sie Navarro, wie er in ein Fahrzeug einsteigt. Niemand weiß, dass dies der Beginn einer tödlichen Verfolgungsjagd sein wird, die sich über 2 Bundesstaaten erstrecken wird.
Car. Open the car.
Keep your hands up! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
Emergency Charlie Union 60550. Please,
433. He just wrecked on Dearborn.
Let me see your fucking head! Let me see your head!
In Indiana verliert Navarro an der Kreuzung von Dearborn und Gostlin St die Kontrolle über sein Fahrzeug. Der Aufprall ist heftig, aber Navarro überlebt. Doch anstatt sich zu ergeben, trifft er eine tödliche Entscheidung.
433 said he wrecked on Dearborn. He was last seen going down Brainerd.
433, 10-1 shots fired! Let me see your head! Let me see...
433, 433 has 10-1, 433 shots fired Brainerd in What 32? 433.
He's still shooting, still up! Hold your fire, hold your fire!
430.
We're put.
10-4, we got him rolling Gostlin and Dearborn.
There's nobody else in the...
424.
I don't know.
424 is company. 424 is standing on this over here now.
424, 10-4, is that the offender that's down?
10-4.
10-4.
What this guy looks like, he didn't give a very good description. There it is, that's him, that's him, that's him. No, stay in the car. Hold on.
433.
Hold on. Get up car.
Open the car.
Open the car.
Keep your hands up! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
Emergency Charlie Union 60550.
And that plate was Charlie Union 60550. 433.
10-4 squad.
33.
433, you just entered Indiana.
33, are you still pursuing the vehicle?
10-4.
Available Sergeant at 4.
433, he just wrecked on Dearborn.
433.
433, he just wrecked on Dearborn.
Let me see your fucking head! Let me see your head!
On Dearborn. I'll give him tips 433 location. 433 said he wrecked on Dearborn. He was last seen going down Brainerd.
433, 10-1 shots fired! Let me see your head! Let me see...
433, 433 has 10-1, 433 shots fired Brainerd in What 32? 433.
He's still shooting, still up! Hold your fire, hold your fire!
430.
We're put.
420. 433.
433. He is at the corner of Gostlin and Dearborn. He is still armed. He is on the ground.
433 at the corner of Gostlin and Dearborn.
Gostlin and Dearborn, he is on the corner.
Corner of Gostlin and Dearborn, clear the air.
Southeast corner. Southeast corner. He's on the ground, still armed.
433 southwest corner, Gostlin and Dearborn, his arms still on the ground. All units head that way, clear the air. .433, we got more units headed your way. 432, I see you. 424.
I see him. He's on this corner, southeast corner. He's still has the gun in front of him.
Southeast corner of Gostlin and Dearborn.
Still has the gun in front of him.
Yes, sir.
433.
433.
Hammond.
Vertimer.
Hold the air. 433.
We got guns on the ground. And Gostlin and Dearborn, in the corner, right by the sheep pole.
Oh yeah. He's right here. I got him.
He's on the corner.
Flagging! Don't fucking move!
Right,
Stay behind the
Chicago police!
Don't
Don't
fucking
Oh,
move!
yeah, and Gostlin.
Chicago police! Don't fucking move! You hear
EOS.
me? Do not fucking move! Watch flagging! Chicago police! Behind those barricades! Do not fucking move! 424! We need an ambulance over here! Bill and Spanish shot multiple times.
Hold the air.
We need EMS over here. 424. We need ambulance. Cover me. I got him. I'm covered. You're covered.
424, we got him rolling.
See the gun
Gostlin and
right there.
Dearborn.
Check for another gun on him. Pull that other arm out. Valansky, pull that. There's something in his hand.
424.
I don't know. 424 in custody. 424. Send his ambulance over here now. Pick it up.
424, 10-4.
Don't pick it up. Put it on the ground. You should have left it on the ground. You got it. You got it already. You got it. Put it in the bag. 424 in custody. Where's he shot at?
424.
We gotta render in. Someone pull out some fucking medical supplies. Where is it?
Too far, go ahead.
Where's he shot at? In the stomach. Here, move. Let's work together.
433.
What's up, guys?
433,
He shot at these guys and these guys shot back. Where's he shot? Can you guys block traffic for us? Lay him down.
10-4. 433, were you the officer that shot fired the shot?
10-4 spot.
Let me get this side.
Die Beamten trafen an dem Ort ein, von dem auf sie geschossen wurde, und erwiderten das Feuer auf Navarro. Navarro wurde mehrfach getroffen und ins St. Catherine Hospital gebracht, wo sein Tod festgestellt wurde. 2 Beamte wurden zur Beobachtung ins Krankenhaus gebracht. Ihr Zustand wurde als gut gemeldet. Es wurde berichtet, dass es keine weiteren Verletzten gab, und am Tatort wurde eine Waffe sichergestellt.